Today I'm answering one of the most asked questions when it comes to finding daily bias, and that is, what do you do when weekly is saying something and daily is saying another? And that's what I'm going to explain. Looking at the weekly time frame here, we can see that we are in a bullish trend. So the first thing I like to do, just right off the bat, is drag in equilibrium. Once you've thrown in your equilibrium, you can now scale down to the daily time frame and see what daily is saying. On the daily time frame, it's saying bearish, but the weekly said bullish. So you're probably like, okay, well, what does that mean now? That means that your daily bias is bearish. So ideally, we're looking for shorts, but we have to understand that we're not going to be able to target crazy liquidity like this down here, because weekly is still bullish, and we know that's not going to happen. So we can get rid of that, get rid of Fantasyland, because it's not happening. But what we can assume is it targeting level 0 of equilibrium, or this little liquidity here, or even this level of daily liquidity here, which is basically just ground zero. Nextly, we can scale down to the 4 hour and see what 4 hour is telling us. So as we can see here, 4 hour, you're probably saying, look, we broke structure to the upside, so is our daily bias still bearish? Yes, because look, let's use our brains for a second here and say this. Oh, 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, well, what's this? Area price range where orders were filled and price capitulated? Okay, 4 hour order block. So we could see that price broke structure to the upside, but look what it has ahead of it, right? And then we can target this area of liquidity here. And that's off a daily play. That could have been take profit 1, guys. So that's how I would read it, and that's how you guys need to start thinking as well.